Welcome back, friends. Today we'll discuss about the second video, that is whole about the psychology which has been taken on a second day of SSB. I would request you all to see the previous video which will tell you about this whole screening, my experience on screening, and the details have been given in the card. As well as I would request you all to subscribe this channel, because the videos whatever Rahul is posting is very helpful and needful, and you'll get such kind of videos which would help you all to prepare and understand about insight of SSB and how to tackle it. Now coming to the second day, which is about the psych test. Now, when you people know about the psychological test will be on a different days or in different SSBs. Like AFSB, it will be on the first day. Previously, what was the procedure? What I would say, and for army and naval entries, it will be on the second day on in the morning. But this time, due to COVID, the scenario is a bit different. The AFSP is also carrying out the test of psychology on the second day. Now, I would rather say that there is very importance of psychological test in SSB, because whenever you want to be an officer, you have to be an officer from your heart and from your mind. And what is that which is being checked in your psychological test? Because it's like Mana, Vacha and Karma, which are the three pillars of SSB. Okay, so you have to know about SSB from your heart, from your mind, from your actions and from your deeds, what I can say. Now coming to my experience and the things what may help you out would be like when the next morning when we were called for our psychological test, there will be a psych who will tell you about the psychological test. So don't worry about any procedure. It has been given in many videos where Rahul had explained you everything. In future also he will explain you the things in very sorted way, how does a psychological test is taken. I will just give you a brief about a psychological test, and along with my experiences, whatever I went through the psychological test. The thing is like on the second morning at sharp 7 they will call you. After breakfast you will go there and you will go in the examining hall. When you reach there, they will firstly the psych will congratulate for your for your first selection in your first phase, and he will wish for you in your next phase, and then the procedure gonna start now. Like it will be like he will explain you about the your exams, or I can say that test, whatever we feel it, but it is like your own mental I can say experience platform, where you have to share your own experience in the form of story, in the form of sentence, in the form of I can say situation reaction. So the first, probably there will be 3-4 tests what we have to go through. The first would be your TAT, or thematic appreciation test. The second will be your WAT, Word Association Test, and the third will be SRT, that is your situation reaction test, and the fourth will be your SD, that is self description. Okay, now when you go through this all things, I will tell you how to go in that. When I went through, there was like the brief will be like you will have 12 stories. 11 will be the stories where the pictures are being given. The 12th story will be a blank story that everyone will tell you. Now I would say that when your stories comes, like there will be a 4 minute of time. For 30 seconds the picture will be flashed and 4 minutes to write. So totally you will have around 5 minutes you will have it. Now how to target this? Like many of us will never understand how to tackle it down. What we people do is like we will write a story without observing a picture clearly. We will be like, once a picture is given, we will just go and write a story without knowing why we are writing a story. First, we have to encrypt why we are writing a story. See, as I say that it is not an exam. That means something else, because it is not an exam means that you are free to write of your own. You are free to write of your mental things, your capability, your maturity. So that are very important terms which we people forget. We people take it as an exam, we tackle it as an exam, and we forget how to deal with that. Okay, so in the 12 stories, I would say that I want to share a couple of pictures with you all, so that may help you all to tackle with the stories. One picture I could say that there was a fire. See, always there will be two kinds of picture. One is an action, because what I sorted them down while my practice with my experience to bringing it to very layman term. See, whenever you see a picture, the pictures will be of two types. One will be an action picture, another will be the picture where you have to make the hero some work. Like see, the action picture where everything has been given. Okay, like fire is there, accident is there, or there's something plantation going on. This is kind of an action picture which is being going. There's other kind of picture where two people are discussing something. You are seeing group of people are walking. One boy is walking, one boy is staying at sea. Here these pictures are pictures where you have to make your own story. This is very hard pictures, people find it. Okay, so I would say that action pictures everyone can write. Now how to write it, definitely Rahul will explain you in very good way in his videos. That can be, you can go through cards. I would rather say that you have to go through each and every video of my experience first, and then go through separate videos, so that you can understand it very clearly and very sortedly, and you can give your best attempt. That is very important to crack an SSB. So I would say that these are the two kinds of pictures. Okay, when you see the action pictures, you have to deal it in very different way as you deal with open-ended pictures. So firstly, we will go where the fire is going on. Now I can say that whenever you see that there is fire, at what maturity level you are, that is very important. Okay, because if I am going as I am a graduate, completed my engineering, then going for an SSB, my mentality, my maturity, my understanding level is very different than a person going for an NDA entry. Okay, for him the things will be very different, for me the things will be very different. Now whenever you see from my point of view, I would have written it in very detailed form. When there is a fire, for me the fire should be sorted very I can say that very well. Okay, rather than, because my experience with fire would be more than the other person. Because see, whenever I am dealing with certain things, there's a fire. For me the situation can be when I'm working in a clothing industry, there could be a fire in my industry, there could be a fire nearby my workplace, where I have to take an actions. Now the actions about a story are very important. Once you are once you got I can say the theme of the story, once you are done with the theme of the story, you have to take out the actions. Like I can say that actions means what? Like if there is a fire, everyone say that the first and foremost thing is like I have to go and stop that fire. But here the secret often tat lies. How do you go and turn off that fire? That is very important. See, whenever you are turning off that fire, if you are turning it off as a graduate level, will be different as an 12th guy. Now I will tell you why I'm focusing more about mentality, maturity is for this reason. See, whenever you are seeing a picture where I can say that there's a boy of 5 years old who is seeing a large big fire in front of him, and the same picture if that boy is being showed as a grown up of 24 years old, then the tackling that picture, tackling that story will be very different. The theme will be same, but your maturity comes in play here. I would say that whenever a 5 years boy is tackling that picture, means the 5 year kid is there in that picture, at that moment you will have to write that that 5 year boy went and informed any senior in front of him, whoever he met, went and called a senior guy. At that moment, if you want to make that boy as a hero, then nothing wrong in that. Making anyone who is below your age can be hero, anyone who is above your age can be a hero. There's nothing wrong to make any gender as a hero. So I would say that anyone can be the hero. Like, see, in your real life, whatever is there, that is there in psychology. Like, your psychology is your psychology. Like, see, people always ask me a question that if I'm a male and I'm so and so age, whether the hero, I'm getting a picture where there is only a female and she is like elder to me, not of my age, like 30 or 40-year woman is in picture and she is alone in picture. What should I do? Whether should I bring out a hero from outside, or I should make her as an hero? I just reply on this question, it comes in my mind, then why can't your mother be an hero? If think you were a child of around 3 to 5 years old, your mother was 30 years old. At that moment, your mother has sacrificed certain things for you. Then she can be a hero in your real life. Then why can't she be a hero in a picture, in your tat story? That is very important. What you have to understand, what the maturity level of a person makes him to understand, the experience of a person makes him to understand. So that is very important. Okay, so keep in your mind, anyone, any person, anything or anybody in a picture is given, that he can be a hero. He can be a small guy if he 3 or 4 years guy, as I told you, 5 year guy seeing a fire. You are coming across such picture. At that moment, you bring up a person from outside who will be an hero. Why can't that boy be a hero? Why can't he be an hero? Because see, when you were an 5 years, if think that you are in that picture, you are 5 years old guy, and you are seeing a fire in front of your house, what you will do? You will stop it, but in your way. What first thing you'll do? You'll go to your mother, you will go to your people, and you will make noise. You will call up people, you will call your friends, or I would say rather elders, to see that problem. Once they come, you will make sure that if anyone is there, you will make alert them. That is the very first duty of a person. Once that has been done, your hero has done a part of your story, part of his work. Now you can bring other one. Now you can bring how that person helps to tackle it down. If he is going and calling his elder brother, you want to make that elder brother as a story. But a small brother who informs elder one is also an hero for you. At your age, when you were small, you did the same thing to going and informing. Now the next duty is to informing or finding out the things to turn off that fire. Now as my maturity level, I will tell you how would I tackle the fire. First thing, when there is a fire in house, that fire would be tackled in different way when it will be in a unit of a factory. If I would say that if it is in a unit of factory, I would rather use the pumps of the pump valves and all. I would use a fire extinguisher which is been present there. I would use that to turn off that fire, but that I can't use here in a home. People will go with that, I have a fire extinguisher, I will turn off the fire, but that is not realistic. Do what is realistic, what you can do, what is available in your home. A fire extinguisher is not available in my home, that I will never do it. That I would never experience, and I would never do it also. So that's what you have to understand about the whole essence of TAT. TAT is not just to write a story and complete it down. Don't be in a hurry to complete your story. It is not written that all the 12 stories has to be completed, then only you'll get selected by all the 12 stories. First and foremost, it's not exam, it's a subset of your life. So whatever things you have experienced, write in a perfect way. Your 2 or 3 stories also can recommend you. So it is not necessary that all of your 12 stories has to be up to the mark. Your all 7 stories are average and your 5 stories are up to the mark, then you are getting recommended, that's for sure. Now once you're turning off this fire, now I will give you a trick in a fire thing. In fire SRTs on this, you have to think on your practically what you will tackle it down. See, whenever the fire is in your unit or it is in your house, there is a reason to there can be a fire. The most common reason would be shock circuit. Okay, once there is a shock circuit, what is the fire type? It is an electric fire. Okay, when this fire is moving on, it will take a fire to cushions, it may take fire to your furnitures, then that fire is non-electric fire. Okay, now as an engineer I am telling you all this that electric and non-electric, but it has its own importance, that when you tackle with an electric fire you can't use water. That's what I want to tell you all. And when you are tackling with this like cushion fires, you can utilize water. Whenever that's what we have to understand, that whenever the first and foremost, when you see that there is a fire because of electricity, try to cut down main. How to cut down the main line? You have to go and trip the main switch. That is what you have to write. Okay, once you are tripping down the switch, then you have to go and arrange the fire, water, or you can say sand you have to utilize it on the non-electric fires, and sand on electric fires and water on non-electric fires. That's what I want to say. And once you are done with that, then you are tackling fire in very matured way, and that would be very practical way how a person reacts in such a situation. So once if you are reacting in that way as a practical person can react, then you are I can say eligible to be an officer. Because see, officer is not a person who has his own responsibility. On his commands there will be more than 100 men, his men who will be working for him. His one wrong decision can take a life of all his men. So that is how responsible you are. So all the stories should be more responsible stories, whatever you are acting. So that responsibility, all the 15 officer like qualities what Rahul had discussed in his subsequent videos will come in your stories when you write it in a proper way. So that is what TAT is all about. Once you are done with your TAT, you have to make it very detailed, very constructive and very perfect story. See, I would rather tell you that write 5 to 6 stories very perfectly which will make you recommended. Once you are done with that, you will be very happy, because TAT carries around 70 to 60% of your psychological test. Okay, because TAT is one thing which can't be practiced. Okay, that only the things, the stories which can be practiced are the speed, your experience can be increased through the stories whatever you write, but the TAT are the real essence of yourself. So never try to change yourself by practicing stories which have been cooked up or which have been given preconceived stories. What we call preconceived stories are very harmful, but you can direct your own stories by your own ideas, by your own life and by your own experience, which I would say that Rahul have shared his experience with you all on about his SSB. So you have to listen that, you have to take up his experience, take my experience. see whether that can be set in your maturity, take out the plans, make your own plans, and then go for the things. Because you are coming here to be an officer, you have to behave as an officer, because officer is a person who plans for his own work, so that you have to do it. Once you are done with this, then I would say that the second would be like VAT. Okay, VAT is a thing which you can practice, because VAT requires speed and your ideas in short span of time. Now when you see the words, it should blink in your idea that okay, if I am seeing water, what a drink, then what you have to see. People write many things, drinks are harmful, drinks are this. When you see like drinking water is very helpful to your body. Now see, when you are writing drinking are harmful, drinking kills, and that thing, when you are giving that thing in your interview, whether you drink, you say yes. Why you say yes when you are writing here drinking is harmful? See, don't contradict yourself. Once you are contradicting yourself, you are making your chances of getting recommended less. So if you are writing down that drinking water helps in the time of COVID, okay, I wrote like drinking water in the time of COVID will keep your immunity strong. That I made it very short and wrote it like water keeps you immune at the time of COVID. That was the sentence what I wrote. Now I was traveling at the time of COVID, I was experiencing it, I was drinking water, what I wrote from my experience. So this is how you have to tackle. And I would say that in coming videos, if I'm going through explaining you on your questions, whichever comes on, whatever we'll keep ahead. So that questions, I will explain you how to write VAT and how to make a VAT from any question, any word whichever comes, how to tackle it down. Okay. Then the next thing is coming to your SRTs. Now, people always keep on asking that the important factor is the SRT. See, SRT has its own importance. What does SRT means? SRT is nothing but situation reaction test. Now you have gone in many situations, let it be any situation. Now think that there is a SRT where they have written that there is a school going child who was traveling in a bus, and he saw there's accident which is going which is of his school friend or someone who which got there, and he saw it. That was a SRT which was been given. Take it as an example. What if you were a schoolboy and when you were traveling, you saw your friend has got through an accident? What would be your reaction? You are a school going boy. That is a maturity of that boy. He has to do in his maturity. Don't think that you are an engineer, you are a qualified graduate and give an answer that I will go, I will catch that boy, I will take him to an hospital. That a schoolboy can't do it. That is what very important you have to understand. You have to think at his maturity. So when you see that a schoolboy doing that, then you have to write in that way only, like he will first inform his parents or his elder ones, then or he will take out the phone number of his school from his ID card, then ring there, tell them about so and so has gone through accident and you require an help, and you are at this location. That is all you can do as a school going boy. That is what he did. That's it. That is what a maturity level means. Don't make yourself I can say that a kind of an cooked up hero and make anything anything out of anything. So that will harm you in your SRTs. And see that SRT, I would say, rather than quantity, quality matters. We 3 friends got recommended recently from different boards. All of us were very good at the quality rather than quantity. I wrote 31 SRTs, one of my friend wrote 29 SRTs, other wrote 36 SRTs. We got recommended. It is not that we got recommended because of other things. We got recommended because of our SRTs also, because our SRTs were very detailed, very practical, and very pinpoint answers were there. I would say at that moment when I wrote less SRTs, I was mentally prepared that I will come in very good situations or very bad situations in my interview. So at that moment when I wrote less SRTs, I was prepared with my mind. Whenever the interviewing officer or in conference, whenever he or she will ask me the question on which is like a situation where they will try to put, they will make me tackle that situation, I will confidently tackle it. I was prepared with my mind because that questions may come, I have to do it. And such thing happened in my interview. I will explain you in next videos, and I request you to go through each and every video whatever we are making it, because I just wanted to share whole of my experience with you all, and Rahul is giving his whole attempt to share his experience, bring out the things at very ground level, so that each and every one of who is aspiring to be an Indian Defence Officer, crack the SSB and be an Indian Defence Officer, because your dreams are to be fulfilled. So it should be fulfilled. So you have to find out the things from many sources and bring it, and Rahul is giving his whole attempt to bringing that things in one umbrella and giving it to you. So I would request you to utilize it in very proper way. And after like VAT, TAT, SRTs are done, you'll come to SD. SD should be prepared. You should know yourself very well. You should know what your parents thinks about you, what you are doing, and what your colleagues thinks, what your employer think, what your teachers think, what your friends think, all of this, and what you want to be. This is what SD means. But the thing what you have to do there is like experience. Your SD should be your experience. See, don't I can say that don't copy any SD, but prepare your SD. Prepare, take out many SDs, listen, see what they have done, what experience they have had. I personally did one thing. When I went for my 5th attempt, I used to prepare SD, like randomly seeing from friends, bringing down, writing story kind of. But this time what I did, I got COVID as very good buffer, where I got very good time. I took that time, I experienced what I felt. I thought that, am I responsible? What my parents want from me? Whether I am giving that thing? I sorted everything, I pointed all the things, I kept the note of it, and I did. I think like my parents want to be me an all-rounder. Everyone's parents want he or she to be an all-rounder. They want their child to be good in studies, good in physical, good in handling things, and good in behavior. That all things I pointed down. I experienced that thing by doing it. I took out responsibilities by handling many things in household activities. I handled my own farm. I worked with my farmer as a labor, and took money from my father for my work, whatever I did. So that money, whatever I took, I worked it. So because I understood how a laborer works, what are his aims in life, what he want to do, what all problems comes in farming. Whenever you are doing certain things, you have to know pinch point of it. Like if you're because my hobby was cooking, which I wrote in my self description. I was knowing everything of cooking because I did cooking with my mother. I experienced everything, what thing is required, what all things I did in my farming, what all things I did in my cooking. I was knowing each and everything. So when interviewer asked, I was telling the truth, what I have written in my SD and what I have experienced. So that kept me very sorted. Definitely I will give you this all things in the FAQs, whichever you ask, in very specific and very pointed way, so that it will help you out. So this is what I would say about the second day procedure where you have to go through.
I hope that you have gained a lot of experience of his and tips and tricks जो भी भैया ने दिए थे, ठीक है, आपको बहुत समझ में आए होंगे. Fine. So coming back to the point, Prathamesh wanted me to give something to you guys, okay, and also I was thinking something like this, so he boosted my confidence to do something like this, okay. So what we are planning at this moment is, so I have a lot of e-books, right? For example, कर्नल MM नेहरू का नो फ्रिल्स एकेडमी का SSB बुक, SSB गाइड जो है उनकी बुक, जो कि उन्होंने पर्सनली लिखी है, ठीक है. फिर SSB क्रैक के ई बुक फॉर SSB एंड ई बुक फॉर OIR एंड डिफेंस डायट एजुकेशन का जो बुक है उनका OIR के लिए, एंड 2 more OIR के ई बुक्स है मेरे पास. फाइन. सो ऑल दिस गिव अवे along with one physical book that is my favorite book, that is for maths preparation for every kind of examination. For example, CDS हो गया, AFCAT हो गया, CAPF हो गया, SSC CGL हो गया. सो फास्ट ट्रैक की ऑब्जेक्टिव अरिहंस की पब्लिकेशन जो है, ठीक है, ये बुक, ये फिजिकल बुक जो है, ये फिजिकल बुक जो मैं प्रोवाइड करने वाला हूँ. सो ऑल दिस इज फॉर यू गाइस. फाइन. ऑल दिस इज फॉर यू गाइस. सो व्हाट इज द कॉन्टेस्ट? what you have to do for this moment? सब्सक्राइब करना है चैनल को, लाइक करना है, शेयर करना है. Comment one question that you felt that yes, this is the question which you need to ask to Prathamesh. Fine, because he is a recommended guy and we are planning to make another video for it also, in which FAQs रहेंगे. आप ही के questions उठा के मैं उनसे पूछूंगा. Fine, so he is going to give the answers for that. So एक comment करना है and you need to follow 2 Instagram handles जो कि मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. एक मेरा है, एक मेरा दोस्त का है जो कि क्लोजली काम कर रहा है इस चैनल के लिए. फाइन. ही इज माई फ्रेंड, ही इज माई कलीग, ओके. सो आपको इन दोनों को भी फॉलो करना है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू हैव दिस, वी आर गोइंग टू चेक दिस 20th of November. 20th of November को FAQ का वीडियो आएगा, उसी में भैया पिक करेंगे एक विनर जो कि फिजिकल बुक के साथ सारे ई बुक को प्रोवाइड करने वाले हम लोग, एंड बाकी के 10 जो क्वेश्चंस होंगे, बाकी जो भी 10 क्वेश्चंस होंगे उन सबको ई बुक्स प्रोवाइड करने वाला हूं मैं पर्सनली. Fine. So this is it. This is a sweet kind of gesture from my side to you guys, so that you can feel motivated. So that is it, yeah. If you have not subscribed, I want you to subscribe this channel.